guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Kate.
My name is Ashley, and today we're going to be making
Banana
banana
bread.
bread. The reason why is because we have some bananas that went ripe, and we were like, why not make banana bread?
So we're making banana bread.
And if you hear some background noise, it's probably because our neighbors are mowing the lawn. So please bear with us.
And let's get started. We're going to write the measurements in the description below, in cups and in grams.
And don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's get started with our ingredients. 268 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, 112 grams of softened unsalted butter, 62 grams of white sugar, 95 grams of packed light brown sugar, 75 grams of whole fat yogurt, 2 room temperature eggs, 4 ripe bananas, 50 grams of walnuts, 139 grams of chocolate chips. The first step is to smash your bananas.
And we're going to be using a bowl and a potato smasher.
If you don't have a potato smasher, just use a fork. We're gonna smash these in medium size. But if you like miniature sizes, go ahead. It's your banana bread. You're gonna be the one eating it. So we're just gonna smash these right now.
Now that our bananas are smashed,
make sure that your bananas were fully ripe. The reason why is because the sugar content in the banana rises, which will make your banana bread much more sweeter. So make sure they're fully ripe.
And now it's time for our dry ingredients.
Now just give it a little whisk and until they're well combined. Now that it's well combined, it's time to move on to our sugar and butter mixture.
In a big bowl, we're going to put our wet ingredients.
You're gonna need to make sure your butter is really softened.
Just like this. Look at that deliciousness. Ah.
Okay, and just put it here. And now our light brown sugar,
our white sugar,
and our full fat yogurt. This is gonna make your banana bread way much delicious, more moist, which is what we want. Okay, now we're just gonna beat that in high speed
For 5 minutes!
Okay, mix.
Now that our mixture is light in color and fluffy,
We're gonna add our eggs.
now that our mixture is ready, it should be looking like a drippy consistency.
Drippy, drippy, drippy.
Okay, guys, let's mix it all together. First, we're going to add our vanilla paste or vanilla extract. You're gonna add half a teaspoon of this. Half a teaspoon.
And mix it together. And now we're going to add our all-purpose flour.
All of our dry ingredient mixtures, and we're gonna give it a sift.
Oops. Sift, 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 sift.
Fold it in.
It's time to pour in our chocolate chips and our chopped walnuts. And if you don't like walnuts, you don't have to add in. It's up to you. Pour it in here.
Mix it slowly
Until everything is well combined. We almost forgot our banana.
that will have gone totally wrong. So make sure that you put in your bananas.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, just pour them in. And you're just gonna fold these in also. It has come to the time where we have to bake our little banana bread, which I feel so bad about that. Not really, but it's gonna taste really good. And this is optional. It's 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And this is our little girl, Snow. Snow, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Okay, not really. She doesn't want to look at the camera. We're going to be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes to 1 hour, or until you stick a toothpick inside there and it comes out clean. It just depends on your oven, because everyone has different ovens. So let's put it to the oven. We took our banana bread loaf out of the oven and let it sit on its pan for 15 minutes. And now it's time to transfer it to a cooling rack for 10 more minutes. Carefully put it in there. Open and let it sit. And now it's time for taste test. I'm gonna get this one and I'll get this one. Take a big bite. It's really moist. You can taste the banana. It's really
Banana, really.
and the chocolate. And it's so crunchy from the top. And the ones give it that crunch, which is like really, really, really good. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. And please consider subscribing, liking, and turn on your notifications. And leave a comment below what video you would like to watch next. And we'll see you next time. Bye!